Welcome back. Today with me I have Ellie Rosamilia, and she's with Kaiser Permanente, and we're going to talk about Senior Advantage Medicare options. Well, thank you so much for being with us. It's nice to have you
here. Thank you, Lisa.
So let's have a little background on you. I know you've been with Kaiser Permanente for a little while. Tell me the background.
So I've been a sales executive for Kaiser Permanente for over 15 years. I have a total of 20 years in Medicare sales.
Oh, wow.
So we do seminars. We sell the product for Kaiser Permanente, Senior Advantage.
Okay, so now what is Senior Advantage?
So Kaiser Senior Advantage is the HMO. It's a health plan that we offer to 65 plus or disabled individuals that have Medicare A and B. And we, again, it's a one simple plan that we offer, and there is no monthly premium, very affordable co-payments.
Wow, okay, so you know what, let's kind of go through this, because I know there are 4 parts of Medicare which I am not familiar with. However, maybe some you could explain to our audience.
Absolutely, absolutely, and I'll make it very simple
to
understand. So Medicare is a federal agency given to you. Part A is for hospitalization.
Okay.
There is no premium for Part A. It's automatically given to you.
Okay.
Medicare Part B, you must enroll in it.
Okay.
And Medicare Part B covers outpatient services, doctor visits, and the premium for this year for those individuals turning 65 is $135.90.
Wow.
And that money is withdrawn from your Social Security year after year for the rest of your lifetime.
Okay.
And a Part C is the Medicare Advantage plan. I call it your choice. So you get to select a HMO, for example, Kaiser, to become your Part C. And then the Part D is the drug coverage. Okay. And when you enroll with Kaiser Senior Advantage, we automatically give you the Part D. It's included.
Really? Wow, that's quite a nice thing to have.
Absolutely.
That's great. What are, beyond the prescription coverage, what are some of the other advantages that you would say Kaiser has versus some other plans?
For example, Kaiser is the only 5-star rated.
Ah.
Yes. Okay. So every year, CMS, the County Medical Services, evaluates all the HMOs, and Kaiser for 8 consecutive years been 5 out of 5-star rated.
Wow.
And that's the privilege we have for enrolling individuals year long. So we don't have to wait to open enrollment or annual election period. If you're not happy with your provider, let's say today you could be a Kaiser member, Kaiser Permanente member, as of October 1st.
As of October 1st, okay. Oh, that's nice to know, because I always thought that you have to wait until a particular time to enroll, but you're saying you don't have to do that.
If you're a 5-star rated, you do not in Kaiser.
Oh, interesting.
Yes.
So Kaiser's been doing that for quite some time. Yes. So are you saying that if you don't have a 5-star rating, you are unable to do that year round? Is that correct?
You have to wait until the annual election period, which happens October 15th to December 7th.
Oh, okay. And that's it?
Yes, that's it.
Wow, that is a really great thing. Yes. What are some things that people need to do to enroll?
All right, well, first off, they have to have Medicare A and B. Okay. They could call me personally. I have my phone number on screen, I believe. And we do one-on-ones, so we could do in-homes too. We go to their homes and we talk to them about our program. They could attend one of our seminars. As some individuals that are very savvy on the computer, we could send them an email information. They could enroll online. So there's many avenues to enroll into our program.
Now do you have a seminar coming up anytime soon?
Yes, in fact, I'm having one today at 10
in
Mission Viejo, but we have 10 seminars a month throughout Orange County, South Orange County.
Oh, well, good. And I think in the past, when you were here in the community, you did have a seminar, so hopefully you'll be able to have a seminar soon here.
Yes, absolutely.
Great, great. Yes. Is there anything else that you'd like to tell us about Kaiser Permanente?
Yes, absolutely. I wanted to talk a little bit about integration with Kaiser. Kaiser has a unique unique system for delivering healthcare. We have an integrated healthcare, which allows the medical plan, the doctors, our hospitals, our medical office to work together. Okay. Right? And because of that, we make a really smooth transition for our members to be able to communicate with their primary doctor as well as their specialist. It's called an integration that we have. Okay. Also, when they become a Kaiser members, you're able to go on My Health Manager and you'll be able to look up your lab results. Most of your lab results will be there. Email your doctor, look up any appointments you might have, and it's all in the comfort of your home. You could do it through your phone, your smartphone. You could download the app, or
that's right.
yes, or you could even there's a 1-800 number. You could continue calling for any lab results or to speak to your physician.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, great. Perfect. Well, thank you. And then October 1st, is that the first time they can call you, or could they call you anytime until then?
Anytime, anytime. Because of our 5-star rated, I could enroll individuals into a program.
Right. As you mentioned, they could call you at the number here, 714-393-8183, or you do have, you speak Spanish,
yes,
so that's
I do.
a plus.
I am bilingual, yes.
Okay, so people will be able to call you there. And then what is the other number? There's a call center number. Is that if you were not available?
Correct. That's going to go through our primary number, which is the 1-800 number that they could call, and they could also set up in-homes or personal appointments if they'd like
perfect.
to. Yes.
Perfect. Well, wonderful. Well, thank you so much. It was very nice to meet you.
Thank you for having me.
And nice to have you on.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Right. And remember that you could call Ellie at any time to be able to get more information and then also sign up beginning October 1st. We'll be right back after this.
Ain't nothing to it. You know it, man. You know, because we gonna rock 'em, man, because we got the fresh.